The Boston Massacre, one of the most appalling moments in our fight against the British. John Adams defended the 2 soldiers who were thought to be responsible for this bloodbath. Adam wants to keep his ties with the British, and you never know when he might use them. John Adams passed the Alien and Sedition Acts, which made it illegal to speak against the president. With this act, Adams disrespected the First Amendment of our Constitution, written by Thomas Jefferson himself. Adams is a Federalist, someone who wants more control in the central government than with the people. Adam wants to be king and take away people's freedom of speech and their role in government. Thomas Jefferson is a bold individual with a commanding stature of 6'2". From the small state of Virginia, he believes that the state should have more say in the government. Being an author of the Constitution, he knows the document better. With knowing the Constitution so well, Jefferson stands behind all of the content of the document. He will stand behind freedom of speech, unlike John Adams. The quote, "The government is best which governs the least, because its people discipline themselves." Thomas Jefferson trusts the Constitution, using it to make his decisions. Jefferson has occupied his time with multiple professions: statesman, lawyer, architect, author, archaeologist, teacher, philosopher, farmer, and inventor. With all these occupations, he's a well-rounded citizen and very well qualified to run this beautiful country.